This is the sales strategy course for Share and Text. This process is 25 times more effective in converting prospects than handing out business cards. And using this process with your SavvyCard, you'll be able to immediately start generating better quality prospects and close more business. Before we begin, it's important to state text messaging is the best way to reach and engage prospective clients. Text messages are read 96% of the time, unlike email and phone calls. With that in mind, we designed your SavvyCard with built-in text messaging capabilities, a feature we call Share and Text. I'll quickly show you how it works. Instead of handing out a business card, implement this 3-step process. But before we can start the process, we need to get somebody's mobile number. That's where 13 magic words come into play. Can I text you my business card and follow up with you later? Say it with me. Can I text you my business card and follow up with you later? Why does this matter? They will almost always say yes, which means you've accomplished 2 things. You've captured their phone number because they have to give it to you for you to text them, and you've set a foundation for text communication with that prospect. Once you get your prospect's number, that's where Share and Text starts. You're going to share your SavvyCard, you're going to get your contact info into their phone, and you're going to follow up with them by text message. Okay, so we have the concept down. Now let's talk about how you do this. First things first, you're going to open your SavvyCard. Most of you have already put your SavvyCard on your phone, but if not, make sure to check out the quick tutorials in Savvy School. Once you open your SavvyCard, just press the Share button and select Share to Individual. Enter the name, mobile number, and a brief message. You'll notice you can use email or mobile, but I'd suggest you stick to asking for a prospect's number. Text messaging will always result in higher conversion rates. Once you've filled in all the info, press Share this SavvyCard. When you click Share, your prospect will receive a text message with a link to your SavvyCard along with any message that you may have typed. They click on the link, which opens the card on their phone. And that brings us to step 2, getting your contact information into your prospect's phone. Well, the good news is that SavvyCard automatically prompts them to download your contact information when they first open it. It never hurts to remind them though, because having your information in their phone means you're far less likely to get ignored or sent straight to voicemail when you follow up. Which brings us to step 3. Follow up with your prospect by text message no more than 48 hours after you share your SavvyCard. Maybe it's just a few hours later, but make sure you follow up by text message. Why text? Well, conversion rates are statistically 112% higher when you engage with a prospect by text message after your first interaction. So this is really important. And if you're feeling like a pro, paste your SavvyCard link into the text message when you follow up. While they've already received that link when you first shared your card, most phones show a preview of web links, so your prospect will see your picture and remember exactly who you are. SavvyCard was designed to help bridge the gap from in-person to digital dialogue. Using the Share and Text process, you will definitely set yourself apart and maximize your conversion rates. If you have any questions about the Share and Text process, please feel free to contact our live support desk by emailing support@savvycard.com or calling 727-502-6012.